Hello everyone, welcome to CS Code Academy. In this video, we are going to study about capability maturity model integration. We will see its definition, its various maturity levels from level 1 to level 5, and what it does and how it helps the organization to provide high quality software. Before proceeding with this formal thing, I would like to tell you a software company by any name you assume that you have a company and it got a big opportunity or a big project for developing online banking system. So in this one where there is no formal process, if there is no formal process, so whenever the development team or the management receives the customer requirements, they immediately start developing the code, or they'll start implementing the code. So it will be like more problems they'll face, they start as soon as they get the requirement, they'll start coding, and requirements will be keep on changing. So testing will be done at the end and customer will be dissatisfied. So it will become what success rate will be what very less. So you cannot predict the success of the project. If you if the project gets success, then it is mainly due to the effort of the talented developers. So few individual talented developers, because of them the software may success. So next, what manager thinks why we are facing so many problems. Let me introduce some planning so that we can increase the success rate. So he will include the manager of that company, XYZ company. He includes like planning phase, the errors, he'll include the planning where he will be estimating the cost, time and budget, and resources and requirements will get managed. So everything he will manage. So somewhat he will feel like the success rate increased. Moving forward, after somehow I can provide the standardizations or the rules or the policies, so that every software, whatever we are getting for the company, they have to follow those standards. So they formulated some procedures or standardizations, like first requirements will get analyzed, next planning, next design, next implementation, and then testing, and then the maintenance work. So like this, they'll define some of the standards. So eventually again the success rate increased. Moving forward, what he decides, like why don't we as a manager, why don't I measure some of the quantities, like the productivity, the production time, and the time and the number of defects and customer satisfaction. Why don't we record all those things? Why don't we measure all those things? So next level after measuring, the belief is that if they measure, they can improve. So next, moving forward, he came up with optimization techniques where the manager supports innovations. The development team will give more importance on preventing the future bugs rather than fixing the existing bugs. Existing bugs also they'll fix, but the future bugs also will get predicted and debugged. So where they'll be providing the continuous improvement to the software. So as from the no process to like optimization or continuous improvement, the manager moved level by level. One level like initial, second level he managed and he did planning, and level 3 he defined the standardizations and rules, and next he measured some of the quantities metrics, and next he started with optimizing, where he will be providing the continuous improvement to the software development process. Here level 1 is initial, different levels. The CMMI is having different levels from level 1 to level 5. Level 1 we call it initial. The you cannot predict the success of the project, and it will be like more chaotic. Everyone will work on their own, no proper planning, nothing. So success will be mainly dependent on a few individual talented developers. Next here, the level 2 is what called managed or planned, where everything you will plan, resources, requirements, time, cost, budget, everything will get planned and managed accordingly, thereby increasing the success rate. Next, level 3 is defined, where you will organization will be defining the standardizations, all the rules, policies, where every developer or every team member should follow that the same rule. And the next level is quantitatively managed. You will be recording some of the metrics, like in the example what I have given. So you can measure it and you can improve it, and number of defects which are coming, and the productivity and cost and time, everything you can measure, and you can improve. And next, level 5 is the highest maturity level, where you will be working on optimization or continuously improving the software, like it support innovations, and future bugs can be detected early. So in this way, if your organization is at level 5, you'll get guaranteed success rate. Okay, so coming to the definition, here capability maturity model integration provides a framework for the organization to improve the software development process. It focuses only on the software development process to provide high quality software. This capability maturity model doesn't improve the software, but rather it improves the software development process. It doesn't focus on how many talented or how many skilled employees you have. Rather than that, what maturity process model you are using in your organization, that only eventually enhances the success rate of the project. So here it helps in improving the quality of the software. As you can see, step by step, if your organization is at level 5, it is guaranteed that you are going to provide high quality software to the customer, and it reduces the defects and improves what process, and delivers the project on time, and it reduces the cost. Okay, so that's it about CMMI. Hope you like my content. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and refer to your friends as well. Keep learning and keep enjoying. Thank you.